Forests around the world are home to a stunning array of beautiful birds. Here are some examples. 1. Resplendent quetzal, found in the cloud forests of Central America, known for its iridescent green plumage and long tail feathers. Victoria crowned pigeon, native to New Guinea. It's the largest pigeon species with striking blue-gray plumage and a magnificent crest. Harpy eagle, a powerful and majestic bird of prey found in the rainforests of Central and South America, known for its large size and distinctive crest. Scarlet macaw, vibrantly colored parrot native to the Amazon rainforest, with bright red, blue, and yellow plumage. Sunbird, found in tropical forests worldwide. These small, colorful birds are known for their iridescent plumage and long, curved bills. Blue jay, native to North America. These striking birds have bright blue feathers with white and black markings. Golden pheasant, native to mountainous forests in China. These birds are known for their vibrant plumage, with golden yellow crest, red body, and blue-green back. Emerald toucanet, found in Central and South American rainforests. These toucans have glossy green plumage with a bright yellow throat and chest. Peacock, while not strictly a forest bird, peafowl are often found in wooded areas. The male, known as a peacock, displays a magnificent tail of iridescent feathers. Green magpie, found in the forests of Southeast Asia. These birds have bright green plumage with contrasting black markings and a long tail. These are just a few examples, and there are many more stunning birds to discover in forest habitats around the world.